name is Susie Pattie. I work for the apparel source, also the green source, and I do everything. I do EDI, I set up new customers, I'm in charge of all of our new customers as far as taking their orders, submitting orders to the factories, ordering all the trims and accessories, down to the shipment out the door.
Great.
Keeping it all straight. Too many, every customer has got something a little bit different. There's EDI standards, but every standard seems to be a little bit different. So it's just kind of keeping everybody's requirements straight, I think, is probably the biggest challenge. Not very well, no. A lot of cheat sheets and notes, just kind of, we have like a summary sheet for each customer and what the top 10 things we need to make sure we do, as far as faxing packing slips to the to the distribution centers or something like that, so those kind of things. We do that, kind of center around certain people deal with certain customers, try and do it that way, make it a little easier. I think part of me thinks there's got to be an easier way, and with all this internet and all that, there's going to be some kind of changes coming down the pike that way. But then I keep hearing about new EDI forms I've never heard about that people are using that are very helpful as far as getting like the carriers involved. So I think EDI is here to stay, and I think it's maybe only going to expand. Maybe, I'm not sure. I think the whole data synchronization and RFID, I think, although it's a lot of work initially, I think it's going to be very beneficial and helpful. But it's, an awareness, I think it's kind of for us, definitely kind of makes you think about how your data is inputted and how you keep track of it and everything. EDI is I never heard of EDI before I came and worked in this industry, but it's kind of a neat little niche market, I think, where it's like, I feel like if you know EDI, you can get a job anywhere because there's always a need for EDI people. But it's definitely something that is unique to the business world, I think. A lot of people use it, many people have never heard of it, which is amazing to me, how widely used it is, but yet unknown in a lot of ways.